Everything you need to know about web applications. Web applications have revolutionized how we interact with digital services, becoming the invisible foundation of our daily online experiences, from social networks to e-commerce platforms and cloud-based productivity tools. Unlike traditional desktop software that requires local installation, web apps run on remote servers and are accessed through browsers, offering universal accessibility across devices and operating systems, while eliminating the headaches of manual updates and version control. This client-server architecture represents a fundamental shift in software delivery, where the client, your web browser, handles presentation and user interaction while the server manages data processing, business logic, and storage operations, communicating through the HTTP/HTTPS protocol that forms the backbone of web communication. The front-end interface that users see and interact with is constructed using three core technologies. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, provides the structural skeleton of web pages. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, controls visual presentation and responsive layouts that adapt to different screen sizes. And JavaScript adds dynamic behavior and complex interactivity that transforms static pages into engaging applications. Modern JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js have elevated front-end development through component-based architectures that promote code reuse and maintainability, while tools like Webpack and Babel handle the complex process of bundling and transpiling code to ensure cross-browser compatibility. The backend development environment represents the hidden engine room of web applications, where server-side programming languages like Python, Ruby, Java, PHP, and Node.js process requests, execute business logic, and manage data operations through robust frameworks such as Django, Ruby on Rails, Spring Boot, Laravel, and Express.js. These frameworks provide pre-built modules for common tasks like user authentication, database interaction, and API creation, significantly accelerating development while enforcing security and architectural best practices. Database systems form the memory center of web applications, with relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL. Server organizing information into structured tables with defined relationships, using SQL, structured query language, for complex queries and transactions that maintain data integrity. Meanwhile, NoSQL databases, including MongoDB, Cassandra, and Firebase, offer schemaless flexibility for handling unstructured or rapidly changing data at massive scale, particularly valuable for real-time applications and big data scenarios. The choice between these database paradigms depends on multiple factors, including the nature of the data, scalability requirements, and consistency needs, with many modern applications adopting a polyglot persistence approach that uses different database technologies for different components. APIs, application programming interfaces, serve as the critical connective tissue in web application ecosystems, enabling different software components to communicate through standardized protocols. REST, representational state transfer, has emerged as the dominant architectural style for web APIs, using HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations on resources identified by URLs, with data typically exchanged in JSON format due to its lightweight nature and easy parsing in JavaScript. The newer GraphQL protocol, developed by Facebook, provides a more flexible alternative where clients can specify exactly what data they need in a single request, reducing overfetching and underfetching problems common in REST implementations. WebSocket technology enables persistent, full-duplex communication channels for real-time features like chat applications and live updates, while gRPC offers high-performance remote procedure calls using protocol buffers for efficient serialization. These communication mechanisms allow modern web applications to adopt microservices architectures, where complex systems are decomposed into small, independently deployable services that communicate through well-defined APIs, improving scalability and development velocity, but introducing new challenges in distributed system management. Security considerations permeate every layer of web application development, as the open nature of the web makes applications constant targets for malicious actors. Injection attacks, particularly SQL injection, where attackers manipulate database queries through malicious input, remain among the most dangerous vulnerabilities, preventable through proper input validation and the use of parameterized queries, or ORM, object relational mapping tools. Cross-site scripting, XSS vulnerabilities allow attackers to inject client-side scripts that hijack user sessions or deface websites, mitigated through output encoding and content security policy, CSP, headers. Cross-site request forgery, CSRF, attacks trick users into executing unwanted actions on sites where they're authenticated, thwarted by anti-CSRF tokens and same-site cookie attributes. Authentication systems must securely verify user identities while protecting credentials, with modern best practices favoring password hashing algorithms like bcrypt, multi-factor authentication, MFA methods, and OAuth 2.0/OpenID Connect for secure third-party authentication. Session management requires careful implementation to prevent hijacking, with techniques like secure/HTTP-only cookie flags, short expiration times, and token rotation. The OWASP Top 10 list serves as an essential guide to the most critical web application security risks, helping developers prioritize their defense strategies in an evolving threat landscape where new vulnerabilities emerge constantly. The rise of single-page applications, SPAs, has transformed user expectations for web interfaces, eliminating disruptive page reloads to deliver smooth, app-like experiences where only necessary data is fetched asynchronously in the background. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js facilitate SPA development through virtual DOM diffing for efficient updates, component-based architectures for code organization, and state management solutions like Redux or Vuex for maintaining application state predictably. However, SPAs introduce unique challenges including search engine optimization, SEO difficulties due to initially empty HTML content, addressed through server-side rendering, SSR techniques implemented by frameworks like Next.js for React or Nux.js for Vue. Performance optimization becomes critical in SPAs, requiring strategies like code splitting to load only necessary JavaScript, lazy loading for non-critical resources, and efficient caching policies. Progressive web apps, PWAs, extend this model further by adding capabilities like offline operation through service workers, home screen installation via web app manifests, and background synchronization, blurring the line between web and native mobile applications while maintaining the web's universal accessibility. The infrastructure supporting web applications has undergone radical evolution with the advent of cloud computing and DevOps practices. Continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines automate the testing and release processes using tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI, enabling frequent, reliable updates with minimal downtime. Containerization with Docker packages applications with their dependencies into portable units, while orchestration systems like Kubernetes manage the deployment, scaling, and operation of these containers across clusters of machines. Serverless architectures take abstraction further by allowing developers to focus solely on code, while cloud providers dynamically manage the execution environment, with services like AWS Lambda executing functions in response to events without provisioning servers. Content delivery networks, CDNs, optimize performance by caching static assets at edge locations worldwide, reducing latency for geographically distributed users. Monitoring and observability tools like Prometheus for metrics, LKStack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana for log analysis, and distributed tracing systems provide visibility into application health and performance, enabling proactive issue resolution before users are affected. Emerging technologies continue pushing the boundaries of what web applications can achieve. WebAssembly, WASM, allows code written in languages like C, C++, and Rust to run in the browser at near-native speed, enabling complex applications like video editing, 3D games, and scientific simulations that were previously impractical for the web. Web components provide a standards-based way to create reusable custom elements that work across frameworks, promoting UI consistency and development efficiency. The Jamstack architecture, JavaScript, APIs, and markup, decouples front-end presentation from back-end logic, with pre-rendered content served from CDNs and dynamic functionality added through APIs, improving security, scalability, and performance. Web3 technologies introduce decentralized applications, dApps, built on blockchain networks, with smart contracts enabling trustless transactions and token-based economies, though this paradigm remains in its experimental stages with significant technical and usability challenges. Accessibility and inclusive design have become non-negotiable aspects of professional web development, ensuring people with disabilities can effectively use web applications through compliance with WCAG standards. This involves proper semantic HTML structure, area attributes for complex widgets, keyboard navigation support, sufficient color contrast, and alternative text for images. Internationalization and localization practices make applications globally accessible through multilingual support, culturally appropriate content, and region-specific formatting. Privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA require transparent data collection practices, user consent mechanisms, and robust security measures to protect personal information. The web application development lifecycle encompasses requirements analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance, with methodologies like Agile and Scrum. Testing strategies must include unit tests for individual components, integration tests for module interactions, end-to-end tests for complete user flows. Performance testing ensures the application remains responsive under expected load, while usability testing validates the interface design with real users. Documentation completes the professional delivery of a web application. From monolithic architectures to microservices, from server-rendered pages to SPAs, web application technology continues evolving at a breathtaking pace. Yet the fundamental goals remain constant: to deliver secure, performant, accessible experiences. Understanding these core concepts provides the foundation for building successful web applications.